Birch is a powerful automation tool designed to streamline ad management across platforms like Meta, Google, Snapchat, and TikTok. Let's take a quick look at what Birch can do for you. Workspaces allow you to combine performance data from multiple platforms like Meta, TikTok, Google, and Snapchat into one intuitive dashboard. You can create a workspace to connect ad accounts for the same client or brand, giving you a complete view of performance and budget tracking. With automatic highlights, you can quickly monitor KPIs, address underperforming and fatigued ads, and get actionable suggestions to improve results. Automation rules help you manage your Meta, TikTok, Google, and Snapchat ads more efficiently. Instead of manually tracking performance, simply set the rules that trigger based on specific conditions. You can control spending, scale top-performing ads, pause underperformance, and schedule campaigns, saving you time and improving results. Birch's automation goes beyond native solutions by allowing you to create complex rules with metric comparisons and ranking, flexible schedules and notifications via Slack or email. You can set conditions based on a wide range of standard metrics, events from hires and weekly reports, and conversion data from other tracking services using Google Sheets as a bridge. Besides, you can build your own custom metrics, mixing all these data sources. Last but not least, Birch offers an extensive library of best practices and strategies for all platforms.
The Ads Explorer is a great starting point for ad performance analysis that allows you to view ads that meet certain conditions in a dashboard. One of its key features is the ability to set advanced metric conditions similar to Birch's automator goals. This allows for precise threshold settings and automated monitoring, ensuring you can take corrective action before performance declines. Cross-platform reports give you a detailed analysis of ad performance using custom KPIs, charts, and table views. Schedule them to be delivered to your team or client by email or Slack. A white label version is also available for branded reports. Discover your best and worst performing audiences on Meta using various filters and metrics. This feature helps you compare and identify the opportunities for growth. See how Meta and TikTok creatives are performing with Birch's creative matching technology. You can customize the report to focus on the metrics, timeframes, and filters that matter most, ensuring your creative's assets are always optimized.
Automatically promote your best-performing Meta and Instagram posts based on their organic performance, text, hashtags, or publication time. With post boosting, you can maximize engagement with minimal effort. Birch's bulk creation feature simplifies ad creation by letting you upload media from your PC or Google Drive and generate multiple ad variations. This streamlined process helps you quickly find the most effective creative combinations, all within a user-friendly interface. Creative testing allows you to effortlessly generate assets from multiple creative combinations. This tool is designed to reduce repetitive tasks so you can focus on strategy while testing various creative options from your local storage or Google Drive. That's a quick overview of what Birch can do to enhance your ad management across platforms. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, analyze performance, or optimize your creative strategy, Birch has the tools to help you succeed. Thank you for watching, and if you're ready to streamline your ad management, start exploring Birch today.